qualification exams. We help you, we prepare you. We know the game, you play it well. So, what is the new course offered this year? Case discussions based on clinical scenarios. How to face those vivas in exams. Multiple choice questions. Live relay of intervention pain procedures. Research, ethics, legal practices, business of pain medicine by experts in the field. Assessments after every module covered. We have limited seats and the slots are getting booked faster. So book your seat now.